Hello, wonderful investors. Today we'll be driving from Coal City Eastern Extension, which is the new Enugu Independence Layout Phase 2. We'll be driving from here to Siloh Gardens and DAV Court Estates. You and I know that DAV Court Estate is one of the estates I've been talking about since I think 2024, around August, September. So we started selling for 5 million, but now it's 10 million. And this Coal City Eastern Extension is selling for 25 million for 300 square meters, 38 million for 500 square meters, and 70 million for 1000 square meters. This is where, and you can see we're building already. We have bungalows here for sale, but this dual carriageway started from all the way from Enugu Port Harcourt Express down here, and by 2025 this road will be fully constructed and tarred. You know, Governor Peter Mba is really dedicated in seeing that people who are willing to invest in Enugu invest safely, right? Because it's not about investing in real estate, it's about investing in the right place. So this location is a hot cake for people who are looking to invest in real estate in Enugu, and this is also to decongest the Independence Layout and GRA so that people can move down here and start building their home. So I'll be telling you more about Siloh Gardens. Siloh Gardens is right now in the pre-launch sales. You can say it's promo. We're selling for 7.5 million naira, and DAV Court is selling for 10 million naira. So I made this video for my investors who wanted to see where Siloh Gardens and DAV Court is without being there. You know, most of my investors are in the diaspora and they like this type of videos, so I always do it for them because they need to see and they need to know exactly what they are buying. So by my right hand is Doctor's Quarters Estate. This estate is a buy and build as well, and they're selling for 25 million naira if you want to buy here. And they have started building already. Very soon I will show you where they have started doing just right here on my right. You can see they're already doing foundation for this duplex. So this is 26 December 2024, and I'm going right now with some clients who wanted to see and invest, and they are looking to buy 5 plots each. So moving forward, this location is, I would say, is one of the best locations right now if you're looking to live around Enugu. Not too far from the city, but it's close to the city. Like this location is 15 minutes drive from Siloh Gardens and DAV Court to Independence Layout. So it's 15 minutes because the road is not, tarred. So once the road is tarred, it will be around 10 minutes. So that's it. So we're still moving forward, and enjoy the ride. So we are now very close to Siloh Gardens. I will show you where Siloh Gardens started and where it ended. Eba ko video. Where about that one? Video eba. So we can make video. Video eba. Where about that one? Down there. What about down there? So started from here and down there. So this road, see from New Enugu, that's the Pole City Eastern Extension. Eba can see that now. Where Pateba. So this one is Siloh Gardens Estate. So I just in our office and go see the map. So I just in a DAV Court. So moving forward, we are driving to DAV Court Estate. Most of my clients who invested in DAV Court Estate have already seen 100% return of investment in this estate, and the estate is just getting started and development. Once development starts, like we have brought sand, we have brought the caravan, and we have brought the container. So by next year 2025 we'll start molding blocks and doing our perimeter fencing and the gates house. So congratulations to all my investors who have invested in DAV Court Estate. Also, I'm a proud owner of a plot of land here in DAV Court Estate, so I don't want to miss out, right? Because I also want to build here and live, right? Yeah, because one thing you have to know about real estate is it might look like it's in the bush right now, but in the next 2 to 3 years you'll be regretting that you didn't buy. Okay, so we're looking forward to this estate getting to its peak. At the peak will be around 35 million to 60 million at its peak. Yeah, so this by my right hand side is some portion that some of the investors who are in South Africa have invested. You can see there's a dwarf fence by my right. Yeah, they bought all this plots. Yeah, they've bought all this plots already. So DAV Court is still down there, so we're going there. Just stay tuned. So this is DAV Court. Yeah, from that entrance, somewhere between that road that we used to come and down here. So all this place is DAV Court. You can see we have our sand and our caravans and where we park our cement. So we are ready to start molding block for our fencing. This one is DAV Court. Okay. So all these places from next year we start molding blocks that we use for our fencing. So this is Independence Day Festival. Yeah.
it's Premier Layout now. That Goshen side. No, it's not Ugwaji. Ugwaji is the other one. They're going down. You know, after that Ugwaji, you see this one before you now see that Naira Triangle. Yeah? Is it like this? This one is not this way. Well, whichever ways. So this is DAV Court, and they are selling for 10 million. Congratulations to my clients who bought, actually 10 of you guys who bought for 5 million. Congratulations, because right now you've made 100% return of your investment, and moving forward your investment will still grow. So this is why I always encourage people to hop in when they are doing promo. You know, when they are doing promo or pre-launch sales, that's the best time to hop in any estate, because you wouldn't get as cheap as that again. Okay, so here I come to the end of my video. So if you want to invest in DAV Court or Siloh Gardens, call the number on the screen. Let's get you started. 2025 is going to be a wonderful year. See ya. Bye bye.